Here is how you can download songs on Spotify application or download Spotify music. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download songs on the Spotify application or download music on Spotify. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy. Simply open up Spotify app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. Now here you can either search in for the particular songs at the search bar below, or if you have saved the songs to your favorite on your library, you can head into your album and open up the artist here and then open the album that you want to download songs from. Now I'll just open up this particular album here and you can see various songs here. Now in order to download, if you open up an album, you'll find the little heart icon there, and beside it you'll find the download icon. You can see the arrow facing downwards in a circle icon. That's the download icon basically. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to download the songs. However, you'll need to have the premium. In order to download songs offline on Spotify, you'll need to have the premium account. So what you want to do is simply tap on explore premium account here and tap on it, and then you'll get the option get premium. You can see why join premium. You can see download to listen offline without Wi-Fi and various other features you'll get with the premium. Tap on get premium, and what you'll need to do is you'll have to choose your plan, and once you choose your plan, choose in the payment method and add in the payment method and make the payment, and once you do it you'll get a premium. And once you get the premium, if you head back to the album here and if you tap on the download icon there, you'll be able to download it, and you can download songs whenever you are offline too. So this way you can download songs on Spotify application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.